Pack the bags.
I check the car.
Do we have all?
Yes, I think so.
I like the beach. Me too. Can we stay? We must go home.
The trunk is full.
Drive slowly.
It is a long road.
We are ready.
Goodbye, beach. Goodbye, waves. I feel sad. Home is nice too. Look at this shell. It is pretty. Keep it safe. I will.
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
Maybe the bags.
It is okay.
We are in the city. Yes, near home. I miss the sea. I miss it too.
We are home.
Take small bags.
I will open the trunk. Be careful.
I can help.
Take this bag.
It is heavy.
Use 2 hands.
What is that?
A toy?
It moved. That is not a toy.
Oh my!
Step back.
What is it?
A sea otter.
It is so small. It looks scared. Can we help it? Yes, slowly.
Do not be scared. Give it space. It needs water and safety. Can it stay here?
I am not sure.
It is a wild animal.
We need help.
Please, Dad.
It is not simple.
We can care for it.
We must ask first.
Rules keep animals safe.
So we ask?
Yes, we ask.
That is fair.
Hello, we found an otter.
Tell them it is small.
Yes, very small.
Ask what to do.
Put water here.
Not too deep.
Good idea. It can rest.
It likes water. Look, it is calm. Can we name it? Maybe later.
We need a form.
And clear photos.
I will print them.
Good plan.
Can I touch it? Not now.
Why not?
It must trust us.
It stole my towel. It is playing. Funny otter.
Very funny.
This place is safe.
Only for tonight.
We watch it.
Yes, all night.
It is not bad. It is just lost. Like a baby. A sea baby.
Time for bed.
Can I stay?
No, you need sleep.
Okay, Dad.
Oh no! Water everywhere! It made a pool.
Get towels fast. Stop sliding.
It is too fast.
Close the tap.
I got it. What happened here?
The otter made water.
Did you turn it off?
Yes, Mom.
Pets need work.
We can work.
Every day?
Every day. Eat first.
Then otter time? Then clean time. Oh, okay.
Stay inside.
We will.
Watch the otter.
We will be careful.
Roll the ball.
Slowly, Jace.
It likes games.
It likes trouble. Where is it? Under the sofa. I see the ball. And the otter? It tricked me. Smart otter. Too smart. Very smart.
We asked them.
They will visit.
Maybe tomorrow.
We must wait.
Will it leave? Maybe. I like it. I know. Love means care.
Care means keep.
Sometimes care means help.
I understand.
That is my sock.
Do not chase fast.
It is quick.
Move slowly.
Use water.
Good idea.
Put it here.
Come here, Otter.
It worked. And it splashed. A lot. Get more towels.
Team clean.
Team Otter.
Team clean first.
Yes, Dad. Can we go outside?
Stay near the house.
Only the street. Be careful.
It sees the city.
Hold the bag.
I am holding it.
Good. Dog. Run? No, move back. It is scared. It got out. Follow it.
Where did it go?
This way.
I cannot see it. Look low. Under the bush? Maybe. Do not go alone. But it is there. We call Mom. Okay. Mom, it ran away. Where are you? Near the blue house. Stay there.
Everyone stay close.
It went that way,
Show me.
near the fence.
Call softly. Little Otter, no loud voices. Little Otter,
Look, water drops.
Good eyes.
They go there.
Follow them.
It needs water.
so it looks for water.
The park has a lake.
Yes.
Stay together.
No running ahead.
We search calmly.
And safely.
Little Otter, come out. We are here. You are safe.
It is gone. Not yet. I made a mistake. We can still find it. Breathe slowly. I am scared. I know. I want it safe.
I found marks.
Near the rocks?
Yes, fresh marks.
It was here.
Walk slowly.
No fast steps.
Good.
Quiet feet.
I hear splashing. Where?
Behind the grass.
Is it there?
There it is.
Do not shout. Sorry, it is safe.
Give it space.
Let it choose.
No grabbing.
Only gentle help.
This is your towel. Step back now, okay?
Good. It remembers. Yes, it trusts us. I feel happy. Me too.
No force.
Let it walk in.
Slow is safe.
Yes. It went in. Good Otter. Soft voice. Good Otter. We go home now. With the Otter? Yes, for now. Thank you.
They come today.
Good.
We need the truth.
And the best choice.
Will it be taken?
Maybe helped.
Helped where?
Where it belongs. Wild animals need wild places, not small rooms. That is right. They need space.
It made a big mess,
A very big mess.
but it was funny.
Also hard.
Read this list.
Water, towels, quiet.
Good reading.
I can learn.
Move the cup. I got it. Fast hands. Careful hands. They are here.
Stay calm.
Tell the truth.
Always.
Are we in trouble?
No, we helped. I hope so. Me too.
We found it in our car.
It came from the beach.
We did not plan this.
We want help.
It was scared. It ran to water. We found it at the lake.
The sea otter cannot legally or safely remain as a household pet.
So it cannot stay,
Not as a pet.
but it can get help.
Yes.
I want to keep it. I know, but it needs the sea. Yes, the sea. You did a kind thing. It still hurts. Kind things can hurt. I understand.
We can go with it.
All of us?
Yes, together.
That is better. Soft towel first.
Water towel?
Yes, a damp towel.
Good. Is it far?
Not very far.
Will it be safe?
Yes.
Goodbye, little otter. Not yet.
I am practicing.
That is okay.
We are here.
It looks safe.
It is a good place.
Good.
Will it swim again? Yes, after care. In the sea? One day.
Will it remember us?
Maybe in its way.
That is enough.
Yes.
Be brave.
It is brave.
Tiny and brave.
Like you.
You helped a life. A small life. Small lives matter. Yes.
The house is quiet. Too quiet.
I miss the mess.
Only a little.
This is our memory.
And our lesson,
Care first.
love wisely.
Write slowly.
Be safe.
Little otter,
Done.
it is doing well.
Really?
Yes, it is eating.
That is great.
This lake helped us.
It gave a clue.
Water tells stories.
Good stories.
Family helped it.
Yes. Together.
We did good.
We did.